Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about discussion boards in Schoology. So on the instructor side of things, to create a discussion board, jump into a Schoology course and then go to Add Materials, Add Discussion. Go ahead and give it a name and type some instructions. When I type my instructions, I try to be mindful of what the students' experience will be if it's their first time doing it. So I'll say things like, type 3 sentences in the Write a Comment box and respond to others by clicking Reply under their posts. You'll see what I mean in a minute when I pull up the student's screen, what this all looks like. But on the instructor side, to continue setting this up, there's lots of options, as with almost any type of material in Schoology, to do some rich text formatting with colors and fonts, and to embed links and embed comments like media, images, links, YouTube videos, and so on. You can also attach files, or you can do audio video recordings. I found the audio video recordings really fun with discussion boards. It gave people a chance to see and hear each other rather than just reading each other's words. You can set a due date on these discussion boards if you'd like. You can set a grading score on these by enabling grading and doing points, entering a point value. You'll have to choose your grading category. As you're setting up the discussion post, you have this option down at the bottom to only let your students see everyone else's responses after they post. So they won't be able to read if you click this option here. It looks like a little student with a traffic light next to it. There we go. So if you click on this, if you enable this, students will not be able to read everybody else's responses until they post their own response. And then go ahead and create. If you want to demonstrate to your students how a discussion should look, go ahead and open up your discussion board by clicking on it, and then respond to the prompt as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce myself. Once I'm done with my response, I'll hit post. There is my response. Now, looking at this from a student's perspective, here's what students will see. They will see your discussion post, and they can click on the post, read the instructions, and then write their own comment. Once the student is finished typing their comment or recording their post, they can hit the post button, and they'll be able to see everybody else's responses. From the teacher perspective then, you can go ahead and click on reply if you'd like to reply to your student, or you can simply like their posts. Over here on the right, this little edit icon will allow you to insert the points that the student deserves. You can also delete a student's post by clicking on the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner of that student's post and deleting. You could also, as the teacher, highlight a user. So let's say you want to find a student in a long list of posts. You can then select that student, and there will be a yellow bar next to it highlighting that student. Some other options for the teacher is you can go to this Edit Grades button up in the upper right-hand corner of your post, and you can go through and assign or award everybody their points. And then the gear icon allows you to go back in and edit any of your settings as far as point values and things like that. So that is how you set up a discussion board on Schoology for students to interact with each other. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun with this one.